Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Once again, we are back with one more video. As you all know that today, most of the students have attended the RMS entrance examination for the admissions into military schools. Okay, so we are happy to share that all our children in our school, they have done their exam very well and they are sharing their good experiences in the about the exam. And very soon, within 5 to 7 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, we will start the video and each and every question in the exam paper will be discussed by the subject experts. So when we are very glad that all, so we are very expecting a high expectation from our student that according to the way how they are expressing their cheerfulness towards how they are writing they wrote the exam. Okay, so as you all know that RMS exam, it is conducted by the military schools for the by the defense academies, armies and all. So most of our Kranti keen children, they went to different states like Chennai to different places in India like Chennai and Karnataka, and they have shared their experiences there, their questions, how they have like how what we have discussed in the class. So the PDF has come and the teachers are about so one after the other, all the subject teachers will come forward to explain the paper. So please stay tuned with us. And హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, క్రాంతి క్రీన్ అకాడమీ నుంచి మేము మాట్లాడుతున్నాము. మీరు గత వారం రోజుల నుంచి మీరు చూస్తున్నారు కదా, క్రాంతి క్రీన్ అకాడమీ ఆర్ఎంఎస్ మాక్ టెస్ట్ మేము కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో ప్రతిరోజు మాక్ టెస్ట్ మేము మార్నింగ్ మనం మా వెబ్సైట్ లో ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నాము. అండ్ అదే రోజు మధ్యాహ్నం సబ్జెక్ట్ టీచర్స్ అందరూ వాళ్ళ వాళ్ళ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నారు. వీరు చాలా క్లియర్ గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నారు. And and we are happy that all the children where they have gone there to write their exams, so they are sharing their wonderful experiences in the exam. So hope, please connect with us. So the PDF has come and the first we'll start with maths. So maths sir will come forward to explain the maths paper. అండ్ మా స్కూల్లో మేము క్రాంతికి నుంచి చాలా ఒక 25 years నుంచి మేము రన్ చేస్తున్నాము. అండ్ వీఆర్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ దట్ మా స్కూల్ నుంచి చాలా మంది పిల్లలు సైనిక్ నవోదయ స్కూల్స్ లో మంచి ర్యాంక్స్ తెచ్చుకొని వివిధ స్టేట్స్ లో వాళ్ళు చాలా మంచిగా సెటిల్ అయ్యారు. అండ్ సో ఇదే cheerfulness తో మేము ముందుకు కొనసాగుతున్నాము. సో మీరు చూస్తున్నారు కదా, ఆర్ఎంఎస్ మాక్ టెస్ట్లు మా టీచర్స్ అందరూ ఎట్లా మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నారు, మీకు ఏ విధంగా ఇవన్నీ సహాయపడుతున్నాయో మీరు మాకు కమెంట్స్ ద్వారా మీరు షేర్ చేయాలి. అండ్ సో ప్లీజ్ స్టే విత్ అస్. 5 minutes మీరు మ్యాథ్స్ క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. ప్లీజ్ స్టే విత్ అస్. Yes, RMS paper has come to us. Set B has come to us. So let us have a just glance on the paper. Meanwhile, our subject experts will come forward to discuss the paper. And being a GK faculty, I'll just go through the GK questions in the paper. Yeah, here with the first 51st question. So, which military operations were conducted to recapture the Kargil sector from Pakistan introducers, and about the excellence in the Indian cinema, about the first female candidate to run the president of the major US politicals, and about the primary goals in the United Nations organizations, and all about which state is called the land of rising sun. So all these questions we'll discuss in today's video, and about SSBN, and the one picture has given. Okay, so the historical monument was given, and they are asking us to name the picture, to identify the picture and choose the right option. Okay, and several questions and a small matching was also given. Yes, largest tribal community, about the tribal community as we discussed in the earlier sections, about the plant structures involving in sensing touch. Okay, so about all these which we have discussed earlier. Okay, so our children, we feel that they will not feel any confusion in answering these questions. And the largest nuclear power plant in India, about all these, when we celebrate which day we celebrate on March 8th. Okay, and about the mostly about the state and Indian forces, all these, about the International Yoga Day. So all these, which if you see who are regular followers of us, the same questions which we have given in our mock tests in the previous papers. So all the questions, all the students, our students, they might be knowing. Okay. So next, about the largest state, from which state Telangana was officially formed in 2014. So all these about state, India, and all. So if you observe, even the common hepatitis A, okay. So about the organal diseases also they are asking. Okay. So we have discussed previously. Next, so so the term about 3R principle also we have discussed: reduce, reuse, and recycle. So about what it is, all these, and the statement questions are also given. Okay, about the historical monuments only, about the Hawa Mahal, Konark Sun Temple, and the Rock Temple, Elephanta Caves. All these questions were asked. And if you see in English also, general intelligence also, same series questions. Okay, so series questions, analogy questions, all were asked. Okay, next, coming to the English passage was given as usual. So hope all the other children are also have done so well. Okay, hope our channel is helpful to you in your preparation. Uh, in the small passage about malaria. Okay, how to prevent malaria is also given in the English passage, followed by 5 questions. And 2 passages were given this time. So next passage is a small story about crow and a deer. Okay, so which were good friends. And so so please stay tuned with us. Okay. Next, coming to the maths, we have, So coming to the maths, all simple questions, ratios, LCMs. So about the figures, successor and predecessor. So mostly if you see, all the basic questions are asked. Okay. Some of the greatest and the smallest three-digit numbers. So all these were asked. The ratio questions, okay, which we have discussed in the previous mock test papers, and about the prime numbers, about the prime numbers they have asked. So all these, okay, about the percentage questions, all these were asked, okay, and the pattern, the series, okay. So these were all asked. So being the science teacher, I'll discuss the questions which are given in the current affairs. So coming to, we are discussing about the set C. Okay, so we have set C in our hand. So let us see the questions. Mm, okay, next. So we have several questions related to United Nations. Okay, so about the elections, the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, about the two houses, the upper house and the lower house, and about this. Okay, next. Structure, which plant structure is involved in sense of sensing touch. Okay, so leaves, no. So roots, when we touch, they does not show any response. So leaves, the touch me not plant. So the sense of touch will be determined by the leaves. And stems also, they doesn't know any sense of touch. And see question number 80. What is the primary purpose of drip irrigation? So I think in the mock test 3 or 4, I didn't remember. So about the drip irrigation, I have discussed. So drip irrigation mostly used in the places where, so for the crop which needs very less water, and it is expensive irrigation also. So to increase soil erosion, to reduce water consumption, so to improve crop yield through over watering, and to eliminate pests. So what I said, to reduce water consumption, so this drip irrigation is used only directly, drop by drop. Water will be given directly to the roots. So and this is an expensive irrigation, type of irrigation. Next, coming to 86th question. Next, we have, see, let me see the questions. Next, we have questions. Which we have questions here. Next, 92nd question you see. So animals and their young ones are given. So what is the, choose the incorrect pair they are asking. Bat, crow, deer, horse. Horse, foal is the correct pair. Deer, fawn is the correct pair. Crow, bat is the wrong pairs. No. So crow is chick. Yes. Bat, no. So first one is the incorrect pair. Next, if you see, oh, sorry, the questions are bad. Okay, particularly important due to low rainfall. Okay, so 93 question, if I see, which of the following regions is water harvesting particularly important due to low rainfall? So due to low rainfall, so why water harvesting is very important? For the tropical rainforest region, no, desert region, coastal regions, mountainous regions. So the right answer is desert regions. And so in the desert regions only, water harvesting particularly important due to low rainfall. So according to the options, if you see tropical rainforests, they have more of rains. Coastal rains, they have enough water. And mountainous regions also, like cropping is not possible. Okay, so the right answer is option B. Next, next we see only few of the questions have come to us. Set C, ma'am. Set C is with us. So D, you have sent me set D. Yeah. So we are with now set D. Okay. So meanwhile, our subject teachers will come forward explaining the clear detailedly about each and every subject. So we are in set D. So the first one is English. 1 to 50 questions will be from English. General knowledge will be from 51 to 100 questions. And general intelligence will be from 101 to 150. Next class comes the mathematics from 151 to 200. So all the instructions which are given in the question paper. So we have the set English. So all the questions were given. Okay, set D we have right now with us. So this is one of our student who has done. Okay, so next, okay, yeah, sir. So 1 to 50 are English. So here one passage is given about the malaria disease and all. Okay, so followed by some 5 questions. Right. Next, one more question about the crow and the deer, which were good friends. So questions related to that. And next 5 questions. So here 1 to 50 are from English. So next we have current affairs like general knowledge and current affairs, which starts from question number 51. This is set number D. Yeah, ma'am? Okay, so children, we request you. So which set you people got? Please let us know in the A or B or C or D. Please comment in our comment section. Hope all our videos are helpful to you who are following us regularly. So you will be knowing like which were which were uh, which were discussed by us previously. So all the some of the questions have appeared in the exam. Yeah. So we about the 3R principle also we have discussed reduce, reuse, and recycle. All the International Yoga Day. So which was asked before. Okay, in our mock test papers and all. So the land of rising sun. So all these about the film awards. Okay. Next, as you all know that this paper is a bilingual paper, English and Hindi. So the student gets a scope to answer the question paper either in English or can read the paper, follow the paper either in English or in Hindi. Okay. About the, see the picture is also given. See here. So historical monument is given. Okay. The cellular jail is the answer. Okay. So maybe the picture is not so clear in the image. Please try to adjust yourself. And we'll see the next questions about the primary goals of the National United Nations Organization. As you all know that United Nation organizations are to unite the different nations who are fighting. Okay. Next, so these all. Math sir, Mr. Koteshwar will continue the class. Thank you. Yes.
Madam, message. Hi, welcome to Kranti YouTube channel. And as you know that we are giving the detailed explanation of the RMS set exam which was conducted in the morning. Okay, as a part of that, now we are dealing with the mathematics from the set D. This is of the set D question paper. And you see, if, we request all the children, please post your question papers which you have with you, so that we have all the sets keys. Okay, and you see, within half an hour we'll place the key of the all sets. Okay, for that we request you to send the question papers of all the sets. That means some students will get A set, some students will get B, some students C, some students D, like this, no? Okay, therefore you send all the sets whichever you have, so that we can get the four sets, and we can give the key of all the four sets. Okay, now we have only D set, that's why we are making the key for D set. And you see, for the set A, B, C, D, so the four sets questions will be same, but they will be somewhat jumbling the question numbers. What is that questions? That means here, for example, here question number 151, the set, in the set A, you get this question as a 170, maybe as a 180. That means same question only. Question will be same, but instead of 151, you may give it to the 170 or 180. That is the only difference between the sets. Okay. Now you are eagerly waiting for the mathematics solutions. No, we will start with the set D mathematics solutions. Okay. Simple question. First one. And before starting the explanation, today exam paper is somewhat easy only. Easy, just only one or two questions are tough. Okay. Most of the questions are very easy, and you can see you can solve directly. Okay. Okay, now you see this question 151, and you see it's a very important one. If you this is set D, if your set is A, B, or C, same this question you have this question will be same like this only. What is the sum of greatest and smallest digit only? But question number will be maybe 170 or maybe 175, maybe 180, like that. Okay, you check the question where you have in your set. Okay, without any delay, we start with the first question. You see, what is the sum of greatest and smallest three-digit number? Always we said in the previous papers also, no? This one, while explaining mock test, sum of greatest and smallest three-digit number formed using 278. Using 278. What you have to do? You have to find the difference between the largest number and the smallest number. First, write the largest number. Okay, what is that? 872. 872. And you see, here it is very important. What is asking? Is asking the sum. Therefore, add. Yes, yes. And you see, this question is he has given easy question because 278. In order to make confuse, he sometimes gives a zero. If this type of questions will be easy, if he won't give the zero. Therefore, this question is easy among in this topic. And is it 2 plus 8, 10. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. Okay. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. What is the answer you have got? 1150. 1150. For the question number 151, set D. Very important, set D. Question number 151, 1150 is the answer. Okay. Now you see, question number 152. Question number 152, what is asking? Ram had rupees rupees 20 lakh with him. Okay, 20 lakh with him. He purchased a washing machine for rupees 46,580. Means this it just additional subtraction of this one. And next one, a scooter for rupees 45,789. Okay, and a sewing machine for 24,769. How much will was left with him Means what you have to do, first you find the expenditures, okay? First what you have to do, you have to find the sum of all the expenditures. Then you subtract from the amount which was with him. Then you will get the answer, no? Okay? You'll see Ram had rupees 20 lakh with him. You keep it this side. Only first you calculate the expenditures, okay? First one, 46,580 is for what? Is for washing machine. Okay. Next expenditure, a scooter for rupees 45,000, 45,789. Okay, 45,789. And a sewing machine for 24,769. 24,769. Okay. Now add. This is what we are all expenditures. 9 plus 9, 18. Okay. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17. 17 plus 6, 23. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. Okay. Next, 6 plus 4, 10. 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 4 plus 4, 8. 11. That means 1,17,138 is the total expenditure. And what the money with him? Money with him is 20 lakhs, no? For that, what you have to do is subtract these expenditures from the money which he has. What you get? Well, we write. Okay, you write here only. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. He has 20 lakhs. Huh? 20. Write 10, 20 lakh here. Okay, and subtract 1,17,138. Okay. From that, what you have to do? Get the bar from here. 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8, 2. And from here, all we have nines. This is very important step here. We keep 9 minus 3, 6. Here also 9 minus 1, 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 1, 8. Here 1. Okay. What the answer will get? So 18 lakh 82,000, 18 lakh 82,862. 18 lakh 82,862 is the correct answer for the question number 152. Set D. What is the answer? Option B. Option B is the right answer for question number 152. Okay. Next one you see, find the difference between largest 7-digit number and smallest 6-digit number. We always completed the question like this in the previous mock test also. If you want, if you have any doubt, you can go and check now. The difference between largest 7-digit number is what? Largest 7-digit number is 9. How many? What I said? Right, 7 nines. Largest 7-digit number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This only. Smallest 6-digit number means what? 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, what number? 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 8. And what will get? You get 9. That you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 98 lakh 99,999. 98 lakh 99,999. You see? For the question number 153, you get the option C as the correct answer. Okay. Next one is the, this is the most repeating topic only. We have discussed it in the previous videos also. The HCF of two numbers is 45 and LCM is 315. Okay. And if one of the number is 175, if one of the number is how much? 175. Find the other number. What do you know that? The product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of two numbers. No? You do it. 45 into 315. is equal to product of two numbers. Okay. Here what to do? 175 into x, no? 175 into x. Why x? Because we don't know other number. Okay. Let it is x. Transpose here, what will get? 45 into 315 by 175. Now, total process just cancellation only. Cancel with the which table? Cancel with 5 table only. 5 nines 45, 5 threes 15, 5 fives 25. Again take 5 table. 5 sevens 5 6 30. 1 remaining. 5 threes 15. 7 ones 7 nines. 9 nines how much? 81. 9 nines how much? You will get the 81. For the question number 154, what the answer you will get? You will get the C as a option. That is 81 as the answer. Okay. And you see, you check your key and you be careful with the question numbers. Okay, now if this what is that? If you got set to D only, this is somewhat easy. But if you got other sets, it will be somewhat. It takes some time to find where the question is. Okay. You see, for the all different sets also, I will give time. You check where this question is. If plus means if plus means into means minus, like this question is there, no? You check where it is, where you in your set. That means you have set A, set B, set C, like that, no? Okay. Okay. You see, I think most of you found your question in your sets. If plus means multiplication, multiplication means minus, division means plus. Okay, this is all given. And what you have to do? Find the result of 216. Is it right that what he has given? 216. Okay, 216. What they given? Minus, no? And where's the minus? The minus means division. Keep the division symbol. Okay. Next one, what is there? 36. And next, what is written? It's a division symbol, no? Division means what? Division means plus. Division means plus 6. And what is there? Plus. And what the plus means? Plus means into. Okay. Plus means into 40. And next, what is the meaning of into? Into means minus 2. And what is the meaning of plus? Plus means into, no? Into 10. This is the total for writing the expression. Okay. Now, what do you know? Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. This is the sequence, no? First, you do what? 36. Okay. 36, 6, how much? 36, 6, 216. You can check it if you want. 36, 6, 6, 6, 36, 3, 18 plus this one only. Okay. This is what you get. This as the 6. And next, division completed. Next, multiplication you do. 6 into 40, 240. You should not do subtraction here. Don't do it. Minus 2 10s are 20. 246 minus 20. 246 minus 20. 226. Okay. 226. For the question number 155, we got the option B as a right answer. Okay. 226. And for the this question, if plus means into means minus is there, no? In the set, the answer, your answer, check whether it is option 226 or not. Okay. This is easy. I say no, one or two questions he has given somewhat critical. This is one of the questions. If this is easy only, but little bit confusion. If Manu cycles at a speed of 40 kilometer per hour, okay, instead of that means at the initial is what is that? He rides a bicycle at a rate at a speed of 25 kilometers per hour. He would be able to cover a distance of 30 kilometer more. That means instead of 25 kilometer per hour going at 25 kilometer per hour in a certain time for a certain what that for a certain distance, if he increases speed to 40 kilometer per hour, that means by 15 if he increase, he will cover 30 kilometer more is given. And what you have to find? You have to find the actual distance covered by him. You see, in the both condition, your clue what you have is that distance is same. Distance is same. You have to remember that one. You see, here we have two variables. What is that? We don't know the distance, no? We don't know the distance. Let the distance is equal to x. Because distance he has not given. Has he given any distance? No. And next you see, has he given any speed? Yes, he has given speed. First, speed 1 is equal to how much he has given? 25 kilometer per hour. Okay. And you see, has he given any time here? No. Let the time is equal to t only. And but what he has given? He has given unto that in the both the cases, both the what is that time is same and distance is same. Okay. You see. And next one, distance. In the second case, that means if we increase speed from 25 kilometer to 40 kilometer hour, 40 kilometer per hour, he would able to cover 30 kilometer more. No, that means in the second situation, distance is equal to x plus 30. Here, what is the constant? Time is constant. That means here time t, here also time will be t. And speed 2, how much is given? It is 40 kilometer per hour. Okay. And you see time is here t and here also same time he used. Okay. Now we see for what is the formula of the time? Time is equal to distance by speed. Okay. Speed is equal to distance by time or time is equal to distance by speed. Okay. And what are the distance in the first case? The first case is x. Okay. By 25. Okay. Next one you see in the second case, this is the case 1. And case 2 you see time is equal to what is that distance by speed, no, x plus 30 by 40. Okay, you see I said no, one or two questions are somewhat tough. This question number what is that this question 156 is one among them. Okay, and you see here time x by 25, here time x plus 30 by 40, both are equal to each other because he say what is that he write it by skill in the same time. Okay, and you see equate that x by 25 is equal to x plus 30 by 40. Okay, transpose 40 here, what will get x by 25 into 40 is equal to x plus 30. 5 5 5 8. Okay, now what will get 8x, we transpose 5 this side, 5x plus 30. Again 5x this side, what will get 8x minus 5x. X equal to 20. X equal to 20 you got, no? And you see x equal to 20 you have got. What is that? X equal to 20 you have got. And what is asking? What is the actual distance? X equal to 20. So fun. Okay, see what is the actual distance covered by him? No, 20 and more 30 kilometer under. What you will get the answer as a this of 50. I think. You see question number 157. Yeah. A number is 11,000. A number is 11,000 less than, what is that? 25 lakh 86,921. And what is the number he's asking? Okay. And what is the number he's asking? You see, this type of questions we have already completed, no? Okay, see, all the models which was given in this question paper, we have already completed in our YouTube classes. Okay, you see, most of the questions, that means 45 to 46, all are expected questions only. And these 45 to 46 questions in this paper, they are already repeated. Okay, and now you see, because of these the topics which I have covered in these videos, most of the it helped most of the students and they got benefit from this video. Okay, next you see a number is 11,000 less than, what is that? 25 lakh 86,921. Subtract. And you see, instead of this doing, what is it? 11,000 less than. No, you subtract 11,000. What will get? 75,000. No, option B.
Okay. We are okay in our Kranti School Academy. From 3 months onwards, we are preparing a good material. సో మేము 3 months నుంచి పిల్లలకి కొత్త కొత్త లైక్ ఈ ప్రజెంట్ డేలో ఉండే సిచ్యువేషన్స్ ని జనరల్ నాలెడ్జ్ అండ్ ఆల్సో సంథింగ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ద 2024 టాపిక్ లో నుంచి విచ్ ఆర్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ద ఆర్ఎంఎస్ ఆ ప్రతి ఒక్కటి మేము పిల్లలకి కొత్త కొత్త కోర్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో స్పెషల్ టైమింగ్స్ అండ్ వాళ్ళకి జస్ట్ related to this topic every month, I mean every year we are taking we are changing the new syllabus and bringing the new questions for the student. So వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా మేము ఇచ్చే మెటీరియల్ ఫాలో అయ్యి వాళ్ళ యొక్క లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ని పెంచడానికి మేము చాలా ట్రై చేసాము. సో వాళ్ళు ఈ యొక్క మేము ఇచ్చే కోచింగ్ లో వాళ్ళ ఆ లెవెల్ నుంచి ఇంకొక లెవెల్ కి వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు ఆర్ఎంఎస్ ఎగ్జామ్ ని అటెంప్ట్ చేసినందుకు వీఆర్ సో హ్యాపీ అండ్ వీఆర్ సో glad to do this today. And okay, sir, the sir will continue the next topic. Thank you.
Okay, next question. Question number 158. You see, the weight of 8 containers of a milk is 250 kg. Find the weight of such what is that? 16 such containers. Okay, what is that? 8 into 2 16. No, that means 250 into 2 500 kg you will get. Question number 158 you will get the answer option B. You see this question, the average of two numbers is AB. The average of two numbers is AB is given. Okay, and if one number is what is given, one number he has given it as A, and what is asking is asking the other number. You see here, what is the formula for the average? Sum of numbers by number of numbers. No, here what are the numbers? One number is A. We don't know other number. Let it is X by 2. And what is the average is what? Average of two numbers is what is given AB. Okay. Now you see, we transpose all the A and 2 to RHS X. A plus X is equal to 2AB. X is equal to 2AB minus A. Is given that question number 159 option A will get for the set D. Question number 160 you see, find the number whose 8% is 128. Okay, find the number whose 8% is 128. That means what you have to do, 8% of some number is equal to 128. That means 8%. The number which we don't know, that's why x is equal to 128. Except x, transpose this fraction to RHS. X is equal to 128 into 100 by 8. Okay. 8 ones, 8, 4 remaining, 8, 6, 48. X is equal to, you will get what? 1600. What is that? Option C for the question number 160. For the question number 160, option what you will get the C, and this is for set D. You see this question, what is the sum of the number of faces? Number of faces of what? A cuboid, no? Number of faces, you know, it's a 6. Number of faces will be how many? 6. And number of edges will be 12. Number of vertices 8. Okay. And 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. This problem which we have discussed. And you see, for this similar question was asked in the previous exam, but what is asked that? What is the number of faces of cuboid is asked in the previous, the same RMSCET 2023 exam. In this exam, what is it? Just he added edges and vertices. That's why we always say that whenever you're going for exam, you must collect all the previous exam, all the previous papers of any exam, not only RMS, whatever the exam you are going to write, you must practice all the previous papers of that exam pattern. Next one is it 2.5% of 100. You see in the video, I said that in the previous class, this is one of the most confusing question. This is not a tough question. This is not a tough question. This is a confusing question. You see, 2 by 5%. For example, 2% means 2 by 100 you will write. But 2 by 5%, no. For that, what do you say? You to write 2 by 5% means 2 by 500 into 100. 100 ones, 100 fives. 5, 0.4 will get. 0.4 will get. Okay. Question number 162. Option A is the correct answer. For the question number 162, option A is the correct answer for set D. The greatest the greatest number of 5 digits, the greatest number of 5 digits using 3 digits in digit 3 in hundreds place. That means what is the 5 digit greatest number? 99,999 only, no? And what you have to do? In the place of hundreds, you have to write 3. 99,399. This is what is there anything other? Okay, that means he has asked is whole. What is that? This one is the answer you will get. Okay, this one is the answer you will get. And why I have written is that it is the largest number. It is the largest possible number. But instead of giving this number, he has given the by reducing one. This is the option here. Present option. This one, question number 164. What is the difference between place value and face value of 6? You see, 6 is in the ones place, no. Face value will be 6 only, place value will be 6 only. Difference will be equal to 0. Okay. This face value and face value questions, this place value and face value questions we have discussed. This type of question is compulsory in the RMS exam, the Ramada exam, in the Sainik exam. This type of question you get, surely you will get this type of question. And along with this type of question, you will get this type of question also. Because why the questionnaire gives this type of question is that most of the students confuse in this topic only. That's why he gives the questions like this. And you see, for the question number 165, the two numbers, you see, you have got this question for RMS, no? You surely note it, you get this question, this type of question, Navodaya and for Sainik. You will 100% get this type of question. Two numbers are in the ratio of 3:7. Okay? That means first number is equal to 3x, no? Next number is equal to 7x. Add how much you will get? 70. 10x is equal to 70, x equal to 10, and what is asking? Then find the smaller number. Smaller number is 3x, no, 30. It's just very easy, but you're confused. What is given? Why? Find the smaller number. You see, for this question, he has not given the option, I think. Two numbers are in the ratio 3 is to 7. If the sum of the numbers is what? 70, then find the smaller number. No, you see, for this question, answer is 30 only. I think the key he has given the wrong options. You note this question, question number 165 for the set D. For the two numbers are in the ratio 3 is to 7. Sum of the numbers is how much? 70. Okay. Then the smaller number will be 30 only. Like that only. No, if this is 30 and this is 40. 30 plus 40 is okay. 30 plus 7. Okay. 10x is okay. Sorry, sir. 10x is equal to 70. No. X is equal to, sorry, 3 plus 7. No. 10x is equal to 70. Okay. Okay. I think it's a 7. X is equal to 70 by 10. Okay. 3x means what? Into 3 into 3. 3 7 is 21. Yes, again answer right only. Answer you will get as a 25. Okay. It is not about assuming. That's why. Light color good. Light question అనిపిస్తుంది. Some right is better. You see, replace star with the smallest number in this type of question. This is a divisible rule question. You see, what is the divisible rule for 3? Divisible rule for 3. Divisible rule for 3 is sum of all the digits. Sum of all the digits should be divisible by 3. No, 3 plus 6 9. 9 plus 7 16. 16 plus 3 19. 19 plus 1 20. 20 plus 8 28. 28. And you see, 28 is not divisible by 7. 28 is not divisible by 3. No. You see, what is the next divisible number after 28? 30. No. In order to make 28 30, what you have to do? You have to add 2 plus 2. You have to add 2. You will get the option A for the question number 166. You see, if one symbol is used to represent, if one symbol is used to represent 7 cycles in pictograph, then how many symbols are used to represent 91 cycles? That means 91 by 7. 717, 7 3s 21. Okay, 13 will get the correct answer for the question number 167. Find the sum of 1106 and minus 855. Okay, sum means you add both, but you see what the symbol has given. He has given the symbol as a subtraction. That means minus he has given. Okay, that means you have to subtract only. You have to do the subtraction. 1106 minus 855. 6 minus 5 1. Okay, 6 minus 5 1. 10 minus 5 5. Okay, and what will get 10 minus 8 10. 10 minus 8 what will get? Will get 2. For the answer will get 251 for the question number 168. You see, each equal part of a circle, each equal part of a circle is called as each equal part of a circle is called as what? It's not diameter. It's not a card. It's not a semicircle. Semicircle means what is that? Semicircle means you will get what is the? It will be half of the circle. And what is get each equal part of a circle? You will get it as a major segment. The product of two numbers is the product of two numbers is 44,100. If one of the number is 12, find the second number. The product of two numbers is there, no? That means 44,100. You divide with the 12. Okay. 12, 3, 12 4 is 48, no? 12 3 is 36, and what will get? You will get the 8. 12 6 is 12 6 is 72. 12 7 is 8. 12 6 is 72. Okay, and what will get? You get the 90. And is there any number like this? Okay, 12 12 what will get? 3 6 12 7, how much? 84. 12 5 is 60. What is that? You get the 3 6 7 5 is the correct answer. Find the least number. You look at this question. Find the least number which when find the least number which when divided by find the least number which when divided by 12, which when divided by 12, 16, 24 and 36 leaves a remainder of 6 in each case. That means what you have to do is that you have to find the LCM of 12, 16, 24 and 36, and you have to add 6. Okay, how to find the LCM? Find it. 12, 16, 24, 36. Okay, find the LCM. 2 6, 2 8s, 2 12s, 2 13s, 2 3s, 2 4s, 2 6, 13. Write that like that only, because it's a prime number, no? You can't divide 3. Okay, 2 3 like that only. 2 2 3s, 13. All are prime numbers only. 2 2s, 4 4. What is given? You do it once again. 12, 16, 24, 36. No? 2 6, 2 8s, 2 12s, 2 18s, 2 3s, 2 4s, 2 6, 2 9s. We like that only. 2 2s, 2 3 6, 9 like that only. Like take the 3 last time. 3 1s, 2 like that only. 3 1s, 3 3s. Okay. 2 2s 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 48 3s how much will get? 48 into 3, 48 into 3, 3 8s 24, 3 4s are 12, plus 2 14 will get. Okay, and what you have to do, you have to get the remainder 6. That's why add 6. You get the option as a 150 for question number 171. Next one, you see, find the value of x in the proportion x is to 8 equal to 54 by 52. 54 by 32.
Hi, children. How are you? Hope you all are very happy after getting through the RMS exams. Hope you all did well. I went through some of the question papers where English and GK is showing. You see, some questions are very complicated questions. They are actually confusing you. So, so the of the student, you are given a limited time. So, what happens? A confusing question, a complicated question makes you to spend more time in that. So that's why we have conducted almost 30 to 35 mock tests. Where in the mock test, the main thing was how to manage time. Every paper, how to manage your time, and that's why our children are giving a very good feedback. We are receiving from our children who have written this exam, and they are giving a very good feedback when they were able to manage the time, they were able to attempt all the questions and they had sufficient time to attend the questions. So that is the main criteria. In any competitive exam, there will be some questions that confusing questions that will be like a jumbled question for which you have to spend a little more time if you understand it. So we have been giving training, time management, and how to understand the question, how to attempt the question. It has benefits a lot. So I hope you understand, and you also want to join us to take benefit from our training, how to manage the time and how to write this exam. Please follow the link below. Okay, so now I'll again hand over this to my colleague Koteshwar. He will continue.
Okay, thank you, sir. Next question is question number 172. Find the value of x in the proportion x is to 8 is equal to 54 is to 32. No? Write it. X by 8 is equal to 54 by 32. Okay. Transpose 8 that side, that only. X is equal to 54 by 32 into 8. Okay. 4 twos, 4 eights, 2 ones, 2 fours, 4 ones, 4, 4 threes, 12.2 you get, no? That means 24 fives, 13.5. For the question number 172, you will get the option as a C. Okay. Next you see, which of the following is a prime number? You see, this is divisible by 3, 5 plus 1 divisible by 3, 4 plus 5 divisible by 3. What is the only number? 8 plus 3. 83 is not divisible by any number except 1 itself, no? That's why 83 is the correct answer. And this is subtract, instead of giving the numbers, what he has given is that he has given the Roman numerals. Okay, no? He has given the Roman numerals. What is that? CD means how much? 400. What is that? CD means 400. XC means 90. 400, 498 minus 98. What will get? Will get the answer as a 400. What the answer will get? Will get the answer as a 400. A region in the interior of a circle, a region in the interior of circle, you see for this question, what is that? Question number it's a circle question. Okay. (174). Next, 175. A region in the interior of a circle is enclosed by an arc on one side and pair of radii on other side. Pair of radii on other side. It's called as what? It's called as a sector. Okay. Major sector, minor sector, we have, no? Like that. You see next one. What is the product of the successor and predecessor of 999? Successor and predecessor of 999. Successor is what? 1000. Predecessor is what? 998. 998. 3 zeros will get. Okay. What is that? 998. 3 zeros will get. These are the question number 998. You see, the type of the triangle ABC with AB is equal to BC and angle B is equal to 90 degrees is an, you see, what is that? Is if the two sides are equal, then it is isosceles, no? Okay. And if it is you get 90 degrees, it is what? Isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, for this question, we'll get the answer C as the correct. For the question number 178, you see, a woman borrowed rupees 3,600 from a bank for 3 years and 3 months at 18% per annum. Okay, what you have to find? You have to find the interest on the amount. That means you have to find I, easy only, no? I is equal to what the formula? I is equal to PTR by 100. No, what the principal? 3600 into time. 3 year, 3 months means how much? 1 by 4 year. PT into R, 18 by 100. Okay, zeros cancel. What will get 36 into 3 4 the 12, 13 by 4 into 18. Okay, 13 by 4. Any okay, 4 ones, 4 nines. What will get 13 nines, 117. 117 into 18. 117 into 18. You see, for this type of question, 117 into 18, 8 change how much? 56. No, you'll get this answer only, but you'll do it. 8 sevens 56, 8 ones 8 plus 5 13, 9, 7 1 1. What will get 6 1 0 11 2. I say no, you will get this only 2106, 2106 is the correct answer for this question. You see, what is the difference? What is the difference between smallest whole number and natural number? Smallest whole number is what? 0. And you see, it's very important. Yeah, he didn't ask. What is that? What is the difference between the smallest whole number and natural number? Smallest whole number is 0. Smallest natural number is what? 1 only, no? Minus 1. 0 minus 1 will get the answer as a minus 1. You get the minus 1 as a correct answer. Which of the following is not a coprime? Coprimes we have already discussed, no, in the previous paper, in the previous free mock test which we have conducted. In this, I have discussed this topic. What is that? Which of the following is? Which of the following pair is not coprime? Not coprime. Coprime is what? Their highest common factor should be 1. You see, what is that? Pair is that only, no? 12 have 1 as a factor, 2 as a factor, 12 and 24 as a 1 as a factor, 2 as a factor, 4 as a factor, 6 as a factor. But what is the coprime condition? They should have only 1 as a factor. Here 12 and 24 are not the coprimes. For 180 question, option D is the correct answer. Subtract minus 1470 from the difference. That means first you have to find what is the difference. Difference of 4796 and 2396. You find the difference. Now how much you get? 4796 minus 2396. This will be zeros only. 47 minus 23, 24 only. What will get 2400? What is asking? This you have to subtract. That means you have to find the minus symbol and again you will get a minus symbol here. Okay? Subtract. What is that? 1470. You subtract here. 1470 is given now. 0 minus 0. 10 minus 7. 3. What is that? 23 minus 14 means 9 only, no? What will get? You will get the answer as 930. Answer what will get? Answer you will get as 930. You see, a machine heats up to 151 degree Fahrenheit when it's being used. After being unused for an hour, the temperature drops to 36 Fahrenheit. How much is the machine cool off? That means just you have to find the difference of 151 and 36. It will be clearly what? Subtract, no? If you write out 151 minus 136. 11 minus 6. 5, 4 minus 3, 1. What will get? You will get the answer as 15 Fahrenheit. This is just additional fraction question. If I divide this ratio question only, I divide rupees 720 among A, B, C in the ratio of 2 is to 3 is in the ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 4. What is the B share? That means you see for this type of questions, what you have to do is that add all the 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Divide with 720. You'll get 80, no? 720 by 9. 80. And BC is what? 3 into X, 3 into 80. What will get? You'll get the 240. You get the 240 as a correct answer for the question number 183. So the question number 184, two bags of weight 65 kg and 169 kg. Okay. And what you have to do is that you have to find the HCF. Find the maximum value of weight that can measure means HCF only you have to find. Measure the weight of the weight that can exact measure the number of times. Okay. You see here, you check the options for this type of questions. Whether 11 is a maximum number which divides 65 and 169? No. Whether 12 divides? No. Whether 15 divides? No. Only 13, no? Which can divide 65 and 169. You will get the answer as what is get 13 only. Find the value of 1925 into 383. That means you have to multiply this one and add. You have to multiply this one and first you have to multiply these two. You have to multiply these two. You have to multiply these two and you have to add all at once. Okay. See, we will add it. First we will multiply one by one. 1925 into 383. Okay. 3 5s 15. 3 2 6 plus 1 7. 3 9s 27. 3 1s plus. Okay. Next 8 5s 40. 8 2s 16 plus 4 20. 8 9s 72 plus 2 74. 8 1s 8 plus 7 15. Okay. And again 3, no? This only will get here. What will get? 5 7 7 and 5. Add that and we'll write here. We'll add that what will get the if you add this you'll get a 5. We'll get 7. We'll get 7 plus 5 12 and 5 plus 1 6 17 and 6 plus 7 13, no? 7. This is what this you'll get it has a somewhat bigger number you'll get what will get 3 lakh 72 what will get 37,000, no? $37,275. And next one also. This was 413 into 1925. 1925 into 413. Okay. 3 5s 15. 3 2s 6 plus 1 7. 3 9s 27. 3 1s 3 plus 2 5. 5 2 9 1. And next one, what is there? 4 5s 20. 4 2s 8 plus 2 10. 4 9s 36 plus 1 37. 4 1s plus 3. What will get? You'll get the 7. And what the answer will get? 5 5 plus 7 12. This is also 10 and 6 plus 9 15. 15 9 and this will be what will get this you will get as a 7. And what is the 7 here? 5 0 4 5 20 4 2 8 plus 1 4 9 36 what will get that and try the 7 here. This is what 7,95,025.
Excuse me, sir. So this is one of our students' paper only. As you can see, most of the answers are correct, and most of our children have corrected so well, and we are very happy and proud to announce that many of our students have done very well in the exam. They are calling us and they are sharing their feelings with us. So we are very glad to announce that most of our children, they have done so well with our good faculty, with our teaching, the way we have explained, the shortcut methods, everything. And moving to the general knowledge section. Okay. Moving to the general knowledge section. So we have 51st question to 100 questions from there. Okay. And this is one of our students' paper only. So as you can see, most of the answers are correct, which were discussed by sir. Okay. So, sir, continue. Hmm.
This number is 185. 185 will get this B as the correct answer, because you see these are all the small, these numbers are very small now, and we have got one number in lakhs, no, that's why you'll get the B as the correct answer only. Okay. Subtract 5 3 by 10 minus 3 7 by 15. No, you see for this, first you subtract the whole numbers. 5 minus 3, 2 of 3 by 10 minus 7 by 15. Okay. What the LCM will get? LCM will get as a 30. LCM will get as a 30. 10, 15 LCM. No. Multiply with the 3. No. 3, 3 the 9s. Minus 14. What will get? 0, 3 by 30. Yes. By what is there? You get as a 30. Okay. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 I have written 2. Okay. And what is this? 3 by 10 minus 15. 10 3 is 30. Okay. That means 9. Okay. 74. And 2 into 9 minus 14. 9 minus 14, what will get? 5 by 30 will get. And this is 2 1 by 6. 2 1 by 6. I think this option is not given, I think so. Okay. Next question. What is the LCM of 20, 48 and 45? What is the LCM of 20, 48 and 45? Least common multiple, you see. What is that for the 20, 28 and 45? What is the LCM you will get? 5 fourths, 48 like that only. 5 nines. Next 2 twos, 2 24s, 9 like that only. Next one 2 ones, 12s, 9 like that only. 3 1, 3 fours, 3 threes. Next 2 ones, 2 twos, 3. Multiply. 5 twos are 10, 10 twos are 20, 20 threes are 60, 60 twos are 120, 120 twos are 240, 243s are 720. You get the 720 as the correct answer. Okay. A shopkeeper sells an article for rupees 720. If the profit is 20% of the CP, if the profit is, what is that? 20% of the CP. Find the profit is asking. No, you see here, a shopkeeper sells an article for rupees 720, and in the 720 only you get what is that profit as how much? Yes, you get the profit as a 20%. That means first you find the cost price, then you get the profit. What is that? 100 by 120 into 720. Zeros cancel. 12 ones, 12 6. Answer you will get as a 600 is the cost price. And the selling price is 720. What the profit? 120 only, no? If Ram buys 2 pens at rupees 150 each, how much money will he get from rupees 550? That means 150 minus 550 minus 150. How much you get? You get how much Ram buys 2 pens? How many pens he brought? 2 pens. At 15 each. This is important. 150 each. Okay, 150 means 2 pens 300. No. How much you'll get back? You'll get back as a 250. The fifth number in the pattern: 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, next 4 cube. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. Option A. Find the sum of 4 liter 45 milliliter, 4 liter 45 milliliter, and 5 liter 500 milliliter is asking. No, you see, 4 liters plus 5 liters, it is 9 liters only. Where is that 9 liter? Here it is 9 liters are there. But again, 45 milliliter is there. No, 45 milliliter plus 500 milliliter 545. No, this is the answer you will get. Okay, option A. This is at a what time between 9 and 10, the hands of a watch be together. Okay, that means at what time they coincide each other, means at 49 1 by 11 minute they coincide with each other between 9 and 10. What is the greatest 4-digit number formed using 840? What is that? Only 3 given. No, 8840 is the correct answer. When the sum of measures of two equal angles, sum of measure of two equal angles is equal to right angle. You see, sum of measure of two equal angles equal to right angle means equal to 90. That means 45 will be one angle. Next one also 45 only. Okay, then each angle will be what? Then each angle will be acute. That means less than 90 degrees you call it as acute angle. No, here 45 degrees. Therefore, they are called as acute angles. Ram brings 5 200 ml glasses of juice every day. Okay. How many liters of juice does he drink each day? That means 5, no? Ram drinks 5 glasses, no? 5 into 200, 1 liter you will get. You get as a one as a correct answer. Each employee of a workshop is paid 6,820 per month. The total salary paid by the workshop manager per month of 92 hours. 90 workers. That means what you have to do? 6,820 into 92. Okay. 2 zeros, zeros, 2 twos, 4, 2 eights, 16, 2 6, 12 plus 1, 15, 9 zeros, zeros, 9 twos, 18, 9 8, 72 plus 1, 73, 9 6, 54, 54 plus 7, 61. And what you get? 0, 4, 14, 7, 2, 6. What will get? Where is the option? 6 lakhs 27,440 is the correct answer for the question number 196. Next is question number 197. The sum of two numbers is 25. If one of the number is minus 211, that means minus 211 plus x is equal to 45. Okay, you have to find the one number. X equal to 45 plus 211. What will get? Answer it as a 256. 256. Okay. If 2 by 7 is equivalent to 7 by 6, this exact question we have discussed in the previous mock test. You see, 2 is multiplied with what? 9. 7 should be multiplied with 9. 7, 9, 63 will get, no? You get the D as a correct answer. Okay. A whole number is added to 100 to get the sum as a excess. That means you have to add some whole number to get 100 as a sum. If you add whole number to 100, you get some next number, you don't know that. Then the same whole number is subtracted from 100 to get the difference y. Okay. Then both x and y are added. What is the sum of two numbers is asking. Okay. Now we see a whole number is added to 100 to get the sum as what? Sum as x. Now you see, we will follow whatever is said. That number is x, we don't know. Is added to 100, x plus 100 is equal to x. Okay. Then the same whole number is subtracted from 100 to get y. Okay. And what is asking? Now we see what you are asking. Now what is the sum of two numbers? That means you see x equal to what? What is that? X x plus 100 is equal to x. No, first a whole number is added first to get as x. Then the same whole number is subtracted from 100 to get the difference. So that first you find what is the value of x. Okay. First you find that what is the value of x. Now you see x equal to x minus 100. This is the 1x. And next here so x equal to what? X equal to 100 minus y is equal to x. Now you equate both this. What will get? X minus 100 is equal to 100 minus y. Transpose this side. What will get? X plus y minus 100 that side is equal to 100 plus 100. What will get? 200 as a correct answer. Okay. That answer is what? 200. Last question. Ramu opened a bottle containing 1 liter 500 ml of juice. If he shared the juice equally with his uncle, how many milliliters of juice will each of them get? That means what you have to do? You have to do the division. Okay. 1 liter 500 ml means 1500 ml. They have shared. The answer will be what? 750 ml. Okay. With this, we have concluded the key for the mathematics. And if you have any doubts or if you feel that any question is wrong, you may post in the comment box so that we will reply for your comments. Okay. Most of the questions are easy only, but only 4 or 5 somewhat tough. Okay.
Mighty Chandra.
With this, the explanation of math 50 questions is concluded. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, sir. इंट्रोडक्शन क्या देंगे? स्किल स्कूल बोलना स्किल स्कूल बोलना इंट्रोडक्शन क्या दिया सर okay. Hello everyone, children. Hope you all are happy. I'm really glad to be back again here. See, every time we are back, we are always enthusiastic. We are always very. You children also must be very much excited to know the key sheet. Okay, so don't worry, we are always there for you. As soon as we got the paper, we have made the key sheet ready for you. So now I will be telling you key sheet of RMS 2025 English key sheet. This is based on set D. Okay, because every set will have same questions, but numbering of the question will be different. So I am referring to set D. Okay, English. So now we will continue. We will continue with the. I will explain to you the English paper, which, as far as I know, it was not so difficult. It was very simple, and we are very happy that our school, our institution, children have really done well. They all have performed very well, and the feedback we are getting from them is too good for us, and we feel proud to be a part of this coaching center. Okay, so we will be seeing English. Okay, so maths, then this is reasoning. Okay, so English will be first. Okay, they give priority to English because As for them, English, they first give you easy because maths you have to think a lot. Reasoning you have to think. So what they do to ease your nervousness, what they do, they give the easiest one first. Because English, normally English, you won't find it so difficult if you are able to understand the meaning and if you are good in English, communication as well as reading, both are very much necessary. So that is the reason they give English first. Okay, so we will see. I'll go little fast, okay, because I know children will be very much excited to know the case sheet. You will be ready with your question papers in your hand, with your parents also sitting beside you, and you will be very much getting impatient to know the how well you have performed. I know that. So don't worry. See, just few minutes, few seconds, not minutes. You will be we will be getting the English paper here. Since English is the first paper, so I have to scroll so much. Okay, but anyway, so here so now this is English. English has come. In this, what he has done is this time they have given two passages for 10 marks. So that 10 marks actually speaking comes as a bonus for you. Okay, children, it comes as a bonus for you. So hope you have done well. You read the passage, understood the passage well. In fact, second passage about that crow and the deer and the jackal was very simple. So there you must have scored all right. I think how far it is you can check now. Okay. So now here you see English has come. This is RMS entrance exam 2024 held on December 8, that is today. So now English we are seeing. First question you see. How many questions are there in total? 50 questions. First questions, read the sentence and choose the correct option that contain only nouns. There should be only nouns. Raj and his sister Saima went to the park to play football. This is the sentence. In this, what he has asked you to correct to which choose, he has asked choose the sentence that is only nouns. Okay, so Raj went, Saima. So went becomes verb. So this is not correct. Play park football. Okay, so play again is a verb. So this also is not correct. Went Raj football again went came. So it is also a verb because it is an action. So sister Saima park. These three are nouns. So option B is the right option here. Now, what does the idiom break the ice mean? Now, when the word comes break the ice, if you have not read this idiom, you will most of will think to break something or to shatter ice, but that all are not right. So, start a conversation is the right answer. Okay. To start a conversation, be in a hurry to start a conversation. So, that is option B is the right option. Okay. Now, choose the correct option to complete the sentence. Choose the correct option. John and Dash went to the park. Now, John and who it will be? Self. So it will be me. John and me. John and me went to the park. John and Dash went to the park. So John and me went to the park. So choose the correct verb for the sentence. This the cat is hiding. Where will the cat hide? The cat is hiding under the park. Okay. The cat is hiding under the couch. Sorry, not paw. The cat is hiding under the couch. Okay. So because under means cat will always hide under something because hiding is there, so it cannot be over. Over means it is not hiding. So that's why under in now which sentence correctly is a conjunction to show a cause and effect relationship. Which sentence is using correct one? Okay, so what you will see, I will wait here until you come back. What is telling? Conjunction should be used correctly here. I will wait here until you come back. She went to, should have a cause and effect also. The cause and its effect. So she went to bed. This is the cause. Why she went to bed? Because she was tired. So it is having both cause as well as effect. The effect of her tiredness sent her to bed. Okay, so option B is the right option. Now, which sentence correctly uses a neutral gender. Now, neutral gender means that is neither masculine gender nor feminine gender. It is a nuclear gender. Okay. So here you read the sentence: "A teacher welcome." Here there is a no some gender is there. Lion roared loudly at the lioness. So here again gender is there. The nurse will be a person. So lady. So automatically it is a gender. So the chair and was placed next to the table in the room. So chair and table neutral gender now. It doesn't have any gender. So this is the right option, option D. Okay. Did you finish the homework? Did you choose the correct negative sentence to complete the dialogue? Did you finish your homework? Ask the teacher. So how you will reply? The teacher is asking me. Think like that. The teacher came and asked you, did you finish your homework? How you will say? No, I did not finish my homework. So this is the option C is the right option. Then comes choose the sentence that is in past perfect tense. It is past as well as it is a perfect tense. That means something that has been completed in the past, not continuing now. Okay. So see the sentence, he will go to school, it is future. Will comes, it is future. I eat breakfast every day. That is everyday routine. We are eating lunch now. It is present. We are eating lunch now, present. So only this option C is left. She had finished the homework before dinner. Means it is past perfect tense. It is already, she has finished. Okay. So option C is the right option here. Okay. What does the idiom spill the beans mean in the following sentence? Now they are given a sentence. They are not directly asked with the meaning of the idiom. They are given you a sentence. The sentence, what does it say? Aryan accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party of his friend. So this itself will make you understand the meaning of the idiom. Because accidentally means by mistake. It is not an accident. It is the slip of the tongue. Okay, slip of words. So by mistake spilled the beans about the surprise party of his friend. So Aryan revealed the secret about the party. Spill the beans means to reveal secret. Okay, to tell the secret to someone. So Aryan revealed the secret about the party. Option C is the right option here. Now, identify and the contains a spelling error. That contains a spelling error. The athlete showed remarkable resilience throughout the competition. Our teacher encourages us to pursue extracurricular activities. Okay, our teacher encourages us. What is asking spelling error? So encourage to pursue extracurricular activities. Now the committee will accommodate all valid requests for assistance. The committee will accommodate all valid requests for assistance. She participated in the environmental awareness campaign. Okay, so which one is all the sentences you read? Which one is wrong here? Which one is wrong here? We have to find out which sentence. So which sentence is spelling mistake is there? We have to find. Now the athlete showed remarkable resilience throughout the competition. Okay, that is also resilience spelling. We have to check the spelling here. Okay, we have to check the spelling. So resilience. Resilience will be resilience is right spelling throughout the competition. Our teacher encourages us to pursue extracurricular activities. That means he is asking you to follow extracurricular. The committee will accommodate all valid requests for assistance. Okay, here any spelling mistake you are saying no. She participated in the environmental awareness campaign. So where is the mistake? Okay, so I don't find any mistake. Spelling error is not there as far as this is concerned. Okay, spelling mistake is not there. So option A we can take because the athlete showed remarkable resilience throughout the competition. You can take, or you can take option B also. Okay. Now choose the correct feminine noun to complete the sentence. The king and the dash. So feminine noun. Feminine noun means feminine gender. So king, feminine is king is a masculine gender. So it will be queen. The king and the queen attend the royal ceremony together. Which sentence correctly uses a pronoun? Which sentence using correct pronoun is asking? You know what is a pronoun? First, you should know the word which comes in place of a noun, like he, she, they, them, all that are pronouns. He gave the book to I, so this is wrong. She told we about the meetings, that is also grammatically wrong. They invited she to the party, so that is also wrong. Very simple one sentence they are given. Very easily you can find out which one is wrong, which one is right. So the teacher spoke to him, so that is the right option. Option C. Which sentence correctly uses the present perfect tense? Present perfect tense. She has finished her homework just now. That is only correct. Why? Because it is present and perfect also. She has finished her homework. All other, you see, they have been to the museum 3 times means they have been. I am working on a project since morning. Till now he is working only. He will have completed. That means it is not over. He will have complete task by the evening. So it is not over. So only this sentence, he has finished her homework. Just now is the present perfect tense sentence and it is the right option. The girl sang dash in the choir. Now he is asking you to find out the adverb. Okay. He is asking you to find out the adverb. You have to fill with a proper adverb. What is an adverb? The word which tells about a verb, which describes a verb. Okay. How the action was done. So the girl sang loudly, sing cannot, song cannot be. So loudly. The girl sang loudly in the choir. So this is adverb. If you know in grammar, all the parts of speech definitions, you will be easily able to fill in all these blanks. Which sentence is the adverb of frequency used incorrectly? Which sentence is the adverb of frequently used incorrectly is asking. Okay. So which sentence it will be? We have to see. She rarely misses her morning walk even in winter. They occasionally meet up weekend. So there is no frequency. He visits his grandparents. That is also not correct because it is a continuous process. I finish my homework hardly before dinner each day. So this also is not correct. So option A, she rarely misses her morning walk even in winter. She rarely. It is like the school bus coming on time. Everyday routine it is. So here also it is everyday routine. So this is the right option. Adverb of frequency is right option is option A. Change the sentence to passive voice is asking. Now the chef baked a cake. The chef baked. This is a Christmas month, Advent month, and you'll be very much having cakes. So a cake was baked by the chef. Passive voice we want to make the chef baked by a cake. The cake is baking by the chef is grammatically that means sentence goes wrong. The chef was baked. So here it is ulta. It is telling that the cake baked the chef. So automatically that is wrong option. The cake baked the chef again. The cake baked the chef again. 2 sentences. So very simple. See, they have this time though they have given active passive voice, but the 3 options what they have given are totally out of context, and you can very easily understand which is the right option. A cake was baked by the chef is the right option here. Because these other sentences, the moment you read, you will know that it is not either grammatically right and it cannot be a passive voice. Convert the following into reported speech. Okay. So you have to convert it to reported. I will see the sentence is there. I will see you tomorrow. Okay. I will see you tomorrow is the sentence. Okay. Said Lucy. Now you have to report. You are reporting to someone. Okay. How to convert into reported speech? Lucy said that she will see me tomorrow. Lucy said that she will see me tomorrow. Okay, that is not right because it is not reporting, it is self-declaring. Lucy said that she would see me the next day. Lucy said she see me tomorrow is not grammatical wrong. Lucy said she would seeing me the next day also is wrong. So Lucy said that she would see me the next day is the right option. Option B is the right option here. Okay. Option B is the right option. In the following sentence, what type of noun is the underlined word? Now this underlined word, what they've underlined? Team. Team means a group of players. Now cricket has a team, football has a team. Okay. The team of players visited the beautiful city of Paris. The team of players visited the beautiful city of Paris. Now, team only is asked you to find out what type of noun. So, it is a collective noun. Why it is a collective noun? Because there are more than one. A group of people, players means, a team means a group of many, at least 15 to 20 players who are together. So, that is why it is a collective noun. Now, 19th one. Choose the sentence that correctly matches, that correctly uses a model of obligation. What is obligation? Obligation is duty, law, that you have to do it. Okay, there is no option that you can or you may or you might. No, you have to do. That means obligation. It is your duty, it is your responsibility, becomes a law, a rule for you. That obligation means that. So if you know the meaning of obligation, very easily you can identify the right option. Okay. You must finish your homework before playing. You can finish means there is an option. Option is there. You can finish. You might. There is also might means option. You may or you may not. You may finish. Option is there. Only in first sentence, what is? You must. Must means compulsory. You have to do. You have to finish your homework before playing. So this is only model of obligation. This sentence uses correctly. Option A. Choose the correct article to complete the sentence. Very simple. I told you whenever an oval comes after just immediately after the fill in the blanks, when the word starts with an vowel, you can go for article and. Always it is been told. It is very simple. There is an elephant in the zoo, so and is the right option there. B. Choose the correct conjunction to complete the sentence. She wanted to go to the park. She wanted to go to the park. Now you want to go somewhere, something happens. Okay. So you are not able to go. So what here? Which conjunction will come? But it started to rain. She wanted to go to the park, but started to rain. So see what will happen? She could not go. That is the meaning. So option A is the right option here. Which of the following is a common noun here? From where? From the sentence, which is a common noun. Latika and Manju. Latika and Manju are proper noun. Names are there. Saw Saima at the park. Saima also is named. So these three are proper nouns. So park. They have not given the name of the park. Otherwise, that also will become a proper noun. Only park means. So park is a common noun. Option D is the right option. The soldiers showed great dash during the battle. What they will show? Tell me. Simple for you, children. Yes, very simple for you because battle means war. Battle means war. So what they will show in the war? A soldier when he's fighting, what is showing? So bravery. Bravery is the right option. Okay. Then which adjective best completes the sentence? The puppy had a big, fluffy, quickly ran. Quickly ran and big you can remove because they are not the adjectives here. Fluffy coat. Okay. Fluffy means fur coats. Okay. Fluffy coat. So option B is the right option. Lucy and this dog now, which of the following is a proper noun is asking. From the sentence, which is a proper noun? Proper noun means it should be telling the name of the place, particular name, something. It should mention about a person or any non-living thing. A particular Taj Mahal. If it says it is a proper noun. Okay, so here what you will see, Lucy and the dog Max went to the beach last weekend. Now you will say Lucy is proper noun, Max is proper noun. Okay, but we'll see the option. Wait, read the option, then come to conclusion. Okay, dog, beach, Max, weekend. See, he has not given Lucy here. In option, Lucy is not given. So what is given? Max. So Max is a proper noun because the name of the book was Max. So that is a proper noun. Which sentence below uses both an affirmative and negative sentence? Affirmative sentence or positive sentence? Affirmative sentence basically tell you something positive and negative sentence clauses. So he is not going to the park, but she is going. He is not going to the park, but she is going. I did not eat my breakfast. I did not eat my breakfast. Okay. and I'm not hungry. She was late to school and she did miss the bus. They are going to the game and they are excited. Which one? It should have both positive, negative, both it should be. So here I did not eat breakfast. Okay. And I'm not hungry. Why did not eat the breakfast? Because she was not, but he was not hungry. So option B is the right option here. Now, which of the following is the correct reported speech from the sentence? I will meet you at the library tomorrow, said John. There, what is changed into reporting sentence? Now, here, what is given? Which of the following correct reported speech is asking? What is the sentence? I will meet you at the library tomorrow, said John. What John said, he will meet me at the library tomorrow. No, John said that he would meet me at the library the next day. So this is the right option. See, whenever it is the reported speech, tomorrow will change to next day. Anytime you see, it will change to next day. So it is very easy for you to understand it and attempt that option. So option B is the right option. That John said that he would meet at the library the next day. Okay. Now, 28. I hope children you're not getting bored. Be serious, listen carefully and see what you have done and match up with this key sheet. Okay. So that you can know where you stand at present. Okay. This is only English. Maths already my colleagues have explained. Okay, so that also you must have made and you must be knowing how many you have done, how well you have done performed in this exam. So now convert the following compound sentence into passive voice. Now this year you have to change it into passive voice. The teacher explained and the student completed the assignment. The teacher explained the lesson and the students completed the assignment. Assignment is what? Assignment means homework. So the teacher explained the lesson. The student completed their homework. Okay, assignment. The teacher explaining the lesson. Here explaining means still explaining. So that option automatically you remove. The lesson has been explained teacher and the assignment will be completed. So not yet completed, will be completed. Okay, so this also we can remove. The lesson was explained teacher and the students had completed the assignment. Okay. So had then the students completed the assignment and the students had completed the assignment. The lesson was explained by the teacher. So that also you can remove. So option D is the right option. The lesson was my teacher and the assignment was completed by the students. Okay. That was the right option. Option D. 28. Option D is the right option. Choose the correct interjection. I didn't expect to see you here. I didn't expect to see you here. So what will come? Tell me. Which? No. Wo? No. Oh no. Okay. So what option should come here? What option should come? Choose the correct. I didn't expect to see you here. So the option will be wo. Oh, I didn't expect to see you here. Okay. That is the right option. Okay. Which word best expresses ability in this sentence? Which word best expresses ability in this sentence? Jane can swim very well. That is the right option. Jane can swim very well. Identify the now once again let me see you choose the correct interjection. I didn't expect to see you. So you are not expecting that person to be seen. So whoa. Okay. Or oh no, I did not expect you to see. I didn't expect to see you here. So that is the right option. Okay. Which one is the right option? Ouch is some pain you get. You say out. Unless means when some sad thing is there. Okay. So oh, oh, or oh no. These options are the right option. Option D is the right option here. Okay. Option D is the right option. Oh no, I didn't expect you to see you here. Identify the user and adverb of degree correctly. She is too tired to continue. He ran extremely fast. They are running quite slow. The movie was very more interesting. So which one will come? So she is too tired to continue. He ran extremely fast. What is asking? An adverb of degree. So where is the degree here? So she is too tired to continue. He ran extremely fast. Okay. Then they are running quite slow. The movie was very more slow. They are running quite slow. This is the right option. Degree, adverb of degree is correctly matched here. They are running quite slow. Okay, so option C is the right option here. Which sentence uses an abstract noun incorrectly? Abstract noun is incorrectly. What is an abstract noun? That which we can feel but we cannot see. For example, air, honesty, knowledge, happiness, these are all felt, not seen. So, his kindness towards animals. So, kindness is an abstract noun. Animals, okay, correct. She felt a deep sadness when her friend moved away. Okay, correct, because it is telling about a person, deep sadness. Sadness you cannot see. The teacher praised the student in solving the puzzle. The teacher praised the student. What is asking? Incorrectly, it is matched. So this is also wrong. The honesty of the wall was evident in the strong building. So wall, honesty doesn't match. So this is the option D is the right option. Okay? Because he is asking what? Abstract noun incorrectly matched he is asking. So honesty wall. Honesty belongs to a person, human being only. Living thing only will be honest. Wall cannot be honest or not. Okay? So that's why this is the right option. Option D. The which word best completes the sentence? I forgot my homework at home. So what will come here? Hooray cannot come, wow cannot come, ouch cannot come, oops. That means suddenly, oops, I forgot my homework. Like that you make action? Yes or no? Many of you make. Okay? If you are communicating in English only, oops, what? Like that you will say, I forgot my homework. So this is the B is the right option. Identify a sentence with the correct preposition. He will arrive at 5 o'clock. He arrived at the evening, wrong. She leaves in Monday, wrong. We met on 8 o'clock, wrong. So he will arrive at 5 o'clock is the right option. Which sentence is correct? She went to the store, not possible. Run is not a word. He swam in the pool, no. They gone to the park. They went to the park is the right, but they are gone is there. So I wrote a letter to my friend. Option C is the right option. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. She ran to the store yesterday. Right? Ran. She yesterday, na ran. Past tense of run is ran. What is the future? What is the future? Tell children. So will run. Will run will be the future. Choose the sentence in the present continuous tense. A sentence that is in the four option, the sentence that is in the present continuous tense. Okay. She will play the piano. He played soccer yesterday. They are playing in the garden and eaten lunch. She will play the piano means future tense. He played soccer yesterday means past tense. I had eaten lunch past tense. So this playing the garden. Very easy to find out the right option. Very simple. You read three options, you will know. So they are playing in the garden. So it is present continuous tense. Choose the correct, that use the article correctly. Article is used here, that is used correctly or not. That only you have to see. She is the best dancer in the class. She is and best wrong. She is best wrong. She is best because best means the. Okay, she is the best dancer in the class. Option A is the right option. I am doing my homework. Samit said, I am doing my homework. What did Samit say? I am doing my homework. What you have to do? Convert it to reported speech. Samit said that he was doing his homework. Samit said that he is doing his homework. Samir said that he did his homework. Samir said that. Samir said what? Samir said that I am doing my homework. So here the option A is right. Samir said that he was doing his homework is only right here. It is a reported speech. Choose the correct. There is a comparative adjective. That means it is a comparative sentence. So two things should be involved for it. For comparing anything, you need two things. Okay. If you are going to a shop, you are buying a shirt, two shirts are there, you have to compare. Two pants are there to compare which one you like to take. Same way here also in the sentence, you have to see like that only. You have to find out whether two things are there and compared or not. The rabbit is faster than the turtle. So rabbit, turtle, two things are there. This is the most fluffy dog in the park. So only one. She's the happiest. Only one. The sky, only one. So only option A is the right option because rabbit, they are comparing rabbit and turtle speed. Okay. Now comes the passage. The most easiest way to score marks in a passage is to first read the passage carefully. Okay. Read it. What is there? It is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines. Very simple for you to read. Preventing the spread of malaria requires a multi-pronged approach due to the mosquito-borne nature of the disease. Preventing the spread of malaria. The only thing is you have to stop breeding of mosquitoes. First, the use of insecticide, retreated bed nets, and indoor spraying of insecticides reduce mosquito bites, especially at night. Especially at night, what is telling use the insecticide treated bed nets and indoor spraying of insecticides. Okay. Ensuring proper drainage and eliminating stagnant water sources. All this is telling to remove mosquito. Let not the mosquito breed. In dirty water, it will breed. So what is telling ensuring proper drainage and eliminating stagnant water source where mosquitoes breed is crucial. Public health education on early diagnosis. You have to give public health and education and treatment plays a vital role in reducing transmission. Additionally, anti-malarial drugs, promoting the use of protective clothing in mosquitoes prone areas can protect high risk populations. These measures are essential to curb the disease spread, reduce mortality, and protect vulnerable communities from a devastating effect. So now coming to the point, it is the 41. Eliminating stagnant means removing. Eliminating means removing. Stagnant means water that is one place, not moving. Considered important because it helps in reducing the number of new mosquitoes. If you remove that water, it will not allow new mosquitoes to be born. So that is right. Public health education important because they have to prevent malaria. Public health education is very important because to prevent malaria, it reduces mosquitoes. If public or health education is given, it will help to reduce mosquitoes. So option B is the right option here. Then comes we can prevent mosquitoes bite at night by using what we already saw there in the second line. We use what you saw. Mosquito bites especially at night, ensuring proper stagnant water. Okay, treatment plays a vital role at night, especially at night. Insecticide help reduce mosquito bites, especially at night is given. So we can prevent mosquito bite at night using insecticide treated bed nets. That is the right option. Why is it important to eliminate stagnant water when preventing malaria? Because mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. Okay, so option B is the right option. The closest in a vulnerable as used in the passage. Where is vulnerable word used? It is used in the last line and protect vulnerable communities. So what will come? Healthy, because strong, weak, important is not there. Not at all matching here. What is asked? So healthy. The second passage I told once a crow and a deer were good friends, lived happily in the forest. It is about crow, deer, and a jackal. One day, a sly and hungry jackal decided to trick the deer. He pretended means he acted to be friendly. But his plan was to deceive the deer and eat them. The jackal led the deer into a hunter's trap, hoping to enjoy a free meal. The deer, realizing he was trapped, tried to escape but couldn't. The jackal watched, eagerly waiting for his chance to eat. The crow, seeing his friend in trouble, flew to help. The crow seeing that its friend deer is in trouble, it went to help. He told the deer to play dead. He told the deer to act as dead. When the hunter saw the dead deer, he loosened the trap. When the hunter came and saw that the deer is dead, he loosened the trap. As soon as the trap opened, the deer quickly jumped and escaped with the crow. The jackal was left angry and hungry. Okay, that was the passage. Who advised deer on how to escape? So crow. The crow. So option B is the right. The crow says the deer to protect because it could help the deer to escape. To help the deer to escape, it asked it to pretend. So option B is the right option. What can we infer about the crow and the deer based on trust and loyalty? Loyalty. Okay. Option A. The jackal's true intention was to eat the deer. true intention was to eat the option C. The closest synonym of scheming in the story is closest meaning is not exact meaning. The closest meaning is asking that is planning. Okay. Option B is the right option. So those were the 50 questions, out of which I know 10 questions which have come from the passage are a bonus for you, and hope you all have done well. You must be very happy, relaxing yourself now, because with so much of hectic schedule throughout this 2 months, you must be totally engaged in studying. And today, hope you are relieved. So go enjoy, have good chicken biryani, mutton biryani, and go and sleep. Have a good rest. Okay, and any doubts you can clarify. You can give your feedback. You can put in a comment box. It will be more than helpful to help you. Okay, please share and subscribe. Thank you. तुम ये
Hello everyone, I am back. So, as you have seen the video, Maths sir has taken the Maths class, English sir has taken the English class. So, let us see the GK questions now, current affairs, general knowledge and current affairs questions. So, see the 51st question, which Indian state has the largest population of tribal community? So, the largest population of tribal community is Madhya Pradesh is the right answer. So Madhya Pradesh is the right answer. Going to the 52nd question. So the term reduce, reuse and recycle. So the terms reduce the usage of plastic or non-biodegradable products has to be reduced. They have to be reused and they should be recycled. So just to for the sustainable consumption of all these components. So we need to, so the sustainable consumption is the right answer. Moving to the next question. 53rd question. So, which date is designated as International Yoga Day? So, International Yoga Day is declared as on June 21st. Okay, moving to the 54th question. So, which of the following is the highest civilian award in India? The highest civilian award is Bharat Ratna. Okay, next. Going to the 55th question. Which Indian state amongst the following is land locked by the three neighboring countries? So the land which is locked by the three neighboring countries is Sikkim is the right answer. Next, moving to the next question. 52nd question we have. In India, which state is called the land of rising sun? That means the place where the sun rises first in which state in India? So Arunachal Pradesh is the right answer. Going to the next question. 57th question. Which movie won the Best Feature Film Award at the 69th Film Awards in 2023? So, the Rocketry, the Nambi Effect won the Best Feature Film Award at the 69th National Film Awards in the year 2023. So, the option A is the right answer. Next, going to 58th question. 58th question, if you see, who is the current Secretary General of the United Nations as of 2024? Okay, so Anthony Guterres. So he was the person who is the Secretary General of the United Nations as of 2024. So the right option is C. Next. 59th question. So Port Blair is the capital of which union territory? So Andaman and Nicobar Islands is the capital of Port Blair. Okay, so Port Blair's Andaman and Nicobar's capital is Port Blair. Next, going to 68th question. Okay, see we have who was the first female candidate to run for the president from a major US political party. Okay, so Hillary Clinton was the first female candidate to run for the president from a major US political party. Okay, so the right option is option D is the right option. Next, 61st question. Birsa Munda is a famous tribal leader. Belong to which tribal community? In the question itself, with the answer is there. Mundas. Okay, so the Munda community. So the tribal leader is it belong to the tribal community Mundas. Next, 62nd question. Which organization has launched the Vulture Count 2024 project? So that is Worldwide Fed Fund. So that is WWF India. Okay, so this organization has launched the Vulture Count 2024 project. Okay, going to the next question. Then we have an image here. So they gave one image. So you need to identify the image. Okay, so the options were given as cellular jail. So this is a historical monument, the cellular jail, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So this is the right option, option A. Going to the next question. Question number. So let us moving on to the next question. So we have which of the following Indian movies has or have been nominated for an Oscar award in any category? So the Three Idiots has not won any Oscar. So the Lagan, Upon a Time in India, Dangal, Salam Bombay. So these three have won the like Oscar awards. So the right answer is 2, 3 and 4. Option B is the right answer. Okay, moving to the next question. Question number 65. Okay, who among the following is known to compose Veeran Ka Kaisa Ho Basant? So, Subhadra Kumari Chauhan, she was the person who composed this Veeran Ka Kaisa Ho Basant, okay, song. Next, going to the next question. 66th question. What is one of the following goals of the United Nations? So, the goal of the United Nations is to unite the countries who are all fighting. So, option B is the right answer, to maintain global peace and security. Okay, going to the next question. Question number 67. Which sense is most developed in dogs, allowing them to detect scents for better than humans? Okay, so the sense of smell, so that is why they are used by the squads and all to detect the criminals and all. Okay, the sense of, they have a super sense of smell. Next, going to the right option is option D. 67th answer, option D is the right answer. 68th question. The Ramayana was written by, so Valmiki, who wrote Ramayana. Okay, so here is one more that straight question. Next, 69th question. How many smelling receptors do humans have in their nasal cavities that help to differentiate different odors? Odors are nothing but the smell to different. We have 200 million, more than 200 million, 200 to 300 million receptors we have to differentiate different smells, okay, in the nasal cavity. Next, we have the elections for Lok Sabha are held every 5 years. So the option C is the right answer. Going to the next question, question number 71. Which is the largest nuclear power plant in India? Okay, Kudankulam nuclear power plant, which is in Tamil Nadu. So that is the largest power plant in India, nuclear power plant. Going to the 72nd question. Who was the name? What was the name of the hurricane that significantly impacted the southeastern United States in India? Okay, Hurricane Helen is the right answer. Hurricane Helen was the name of the hurricane that significantly impacted the southeastern United States. Going to the next question. 73rd question. Which of the following is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Agra? Taj Mahal. Okay, Taj Mahal is the right answer. Next, Going to the next question. Here one more statements questions are given. So what is the primary function of the pancreas and the liver in the human body? So here we have let us see the first statement. So the liver detoxifies substances and the pancreas produces insulin and the digestive enzymes. So this is the right option. Whereas the pancreas produces bile, it will not produce any bile. The bile is produced by the liver. Whereas the liver regulates blood sugar. Yes. Okay. So this is the wrong option. Both liver and pancreas produce enzymes for blood clotting. Even this is also the right statement. Pancreas stores vitamins and liver aids in muscle movement. But here the primary function they are asking means the liver detoxifies the substances. A is the right option, and pancreas produce insulin and the digestive enzymes. So this option A is the right answer. Next, 75, the Durand Cup. The Durand Cup is associated with football. Option B is the right answer. Next, going to 76th question. Which day do we celebrate on March 8th? So International Women's Day is celebrated as on March 8th. Okay. Next, going to the 77th question. Who won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2023 for their fight against the oppression of women in Iran and for promoting human rights? Okay. So the right answer is Nargis Mohammadi is the right answer. Nargis Mohammadi, he won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2023 against the fight against the oppression of women in Iran. Next. Going to the 78th question. Next, which award is given for the excellence in Indian cinema? Okay, so for the Indian cinema, Dada Saheb Phalke Award was given for the excellence in Indian cinema. Okay, going to the next question. Question number 79. The national emblem of India adapted from the lion capital of Ashok symbolizes what? It symbolizes power, courage, and confidence. So option A is the right answer. Going to the next question. Question number 80. Very well known question. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars is known as a red planet. Next. Going to the 81st question. Okay. So, sports person who were awarded the prestigious Khel Ratna in 2024. Okay. So, we have here Satvik Sairaj Ranki Reddy and Chirag Shetty. So, these were the sports person who were awarded the prestigious Khel Ratna award in the year 2020. Option B is the right answer. Next. Going to the next question. Okay. So, which plant structure is involved in sensing touch? Okay. So, the leaves, they have a sense of touch like the mimosa plant, the touch me not plant. When we touch, the leaves will get closed. Okay. So, whereas the tendrils are nothing but, so tendrils are the like thread-like structures, like they are the climbers. They don't have any sense of touch. Okay. Going to the next question, we have which military operations were conducted to recapture to recapture the Kargil sector from Pakistani intruders in 1999. So Operation Vijay, okay, the military operation called Operation Vijay conducted to recapture the Kargil sector. Going to the next question. Option B is the right answer. Next, 84th question. So we have here which of the following is the largest tribal community in India? So, Bhils. So, Bhils is the largest tribal community in India. Going to the next question. 84th question. 85th question. What is the primary purpose of Drip irrigation. So the drip irrigation in the previous videos, if you see about the drip irrigation, we have discussed in the mocks. So the drip irrigation is used to reduce the water consumption. Okay. So next, 86th question. Sudha Murthy was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 2023 for her contributions in the field of social work. She is known for her works in the society, in the social works. Okay, so the right answer is option C is the right answer. Next, question number 87. Next, in which of the following regions is water harvesting particularly important due to low rainfall? Due to low rainfall in the desert regions, as the desert regions will receive very less rainfall, so water harvesting is particularly needed. Okay, so that's why mostly in the Rajasthan states we have water harvesting techniques are followed. Next, going to the 88th question. Next, what does SSBN stand for in the context of India's defense capabilities? So, ship submersible ballistic nuclear. Okay, so SSBN stands for ship submersible ballistic nuclear. Okay, going to the next question. The right option is option C. 89th question. Who was the Democratic Party's candidate in 2020 US presidential election? Hillary Clinton. Excuse me. So, Hillary Clinton was the presidential election, the Democratic Party's candidate in the 2020 US presidential election. Next, question number 90. From which larger state Telangana was officially formed in 2024? Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Next, question number 91. Okay. Here's a small, excuse me. Excuse me. Matching is given. See, small abbreviations are given. So the first one, BSNL, abbreviation statements is Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, whereas CTC cost to the company. Next, FMCG, fast moving consumer goods. PDS is public distribution system. Okay, B is the right option. Okay, next. Question number 92. A common symptom of hepatitis A caused by a virus from contaminated water. So mostly contaminated water we get diarrhea. So which affects the liver jaundice. Okay, diarrhea is the right option. Next, 93rd question. Who is the current chief of the army staff of the Indian Committee? The General Upendra Dwivedi. So he was the current chief of the army staff of the Indian Army. Going to the next question, question number 94. Okay, choose the incorrect pair. So, a pair of animals and their young ones are given. Bat, kitten, no. Cat, kitten is a correct pair. Crow, chick, deer, fawn, horse, foal. These are the young ones of these animals. So, the incorrect pair is bat. Bat is called, the young one of bat is called pup. Okay, the right option is A. So, the incorrect pair is the first one. Going to the next 95th question. Okay, so who is the director of the movie The Fablemans, which was seen in the news? Okay, so The Fablemans, Steven Spielberg. So 95A is the right option. So he was the director of the movie The Fablemans. Okay, going to the next question, 96th question. Okay, going to the 96th question. Here are some statements given. So they are asking us which are not true. Okay, Hawa Mahal or the Palace of Winds are made with pink and red stones monument was built by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh. So they are asking not the true statement. So this is a true statement. Next, Konark Sun Temple in Odisha was built in the 13th century and dedicated to God Surya. The shrine was commissioned by King Narasimha. So this is also a right statement. So rock cut Elephanta caves that trace their history back to the mid 60th century, built by the British period. So no, this is not the right answer. So this is not the true statement in the among the given statements. The option C is the correct option. Next, 97th question. 2020, at which event did Manu Bhaker win a historic bronze medal in the 2024 Paris Olympics at 10 meters air pistol? So Manu Bhaker won the historical bronze medal. Okay, going on to the next question, 98th question. Next, name the writer of the book Gulliver's Travels. The Gulliver's Travels were written by Jonathan Swift. Jonathan Swift was the writer of the book Gulliver's Travels. Next, going to 99th question. What is the role of the General Assembly in the United Nations? So, in the United Nations, what is the General Assembly role? They are asking. So, studying, debating, and making recommendations on global issues like human rights and peace. So, that is the role of the General Assembly in the United Nations. Going on to the next question, the last question in the GK section. Okay, let us see. North Sea Rosebank Field is the largest new oil and gas initiative of which country? So the right answer is option B is the right answer, UK. Okay. Hope this video is useful for you. And the next subject, general intelligence, will be followed by this video. Hope please share, subscribe, and follow our videos. Thank you so much.
Good evening, all. So now mathematics, GK, and science was explained. Now go through with intelligence. Okay, see here. A group of three interrelated words is given. You have to choose a word from the answer. See that belongs to same group. Here potato is vegetable. Onion is also a vegetable, and tomato is also a vegetable. So mango is only a fruit here. So mark as fruit. Next, out of four friends, Mick, Bob, Jack, and David, Amit and Bob play football and cricket. Bob and Jack play cricket and hockey. Amit and David play basketball and football. Jack and David play hockey and basketball. See here, see about Jack. Here, cricket. Okay, next, again, hockey and basketball. Okay, compared to David, Amit, and Bob, Jack is playing both the three games here. Next, a man walks 5 kilometers towards the south then turns to the right. Okay, see here, south, north, west is here. Okay, 5 kilometers towards the south means coming here 5 kilometer and turns to the right. Okay, after walking a 3 km, he turns to left again coming here. 5 km means here. Okay, now which direction is from the starting place? Okay, he is coming from the south. Next, 2:4 proportional of is 5 means 2 square is 2 5 5 square 2 power 1 25 is the answer. Next, next, see here. Sure. So this is the answer. Next, following question, the words in all pairs except one set an odd pair. See here, ink pen. Okay, what we have to do is odd pair. Pick out the odd pair. Petrol car. Petrol car. Abdul వీడియో పోయిందంట మంగళపల్లిలో ఉంటాను తెలిసినావా అదే బ్రో అదే 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 నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు ఓపెన్ చేసింది సారీ ఫర్ ద ఇంటరప్షన్ ఇంక్ ఇంక్ పెన్ పెట్రోల్ అండ్ కార్ rust and vacuum cleaner, electricity and television. Okay. Pen and ink is one of the combinations. Petrol and car is one of the combinations. Rust and vacuum cleaner is one of the combination. Electricity, television is also one of the combinations. But here what I have to do is everything for this and this will be usual electricity, but dust and vacuum cleaner is not using. So this is the answer. The missing term in the series +4 -2 +4 -2. Okay, 20 is the answer. Next term in the given series, go with A1 B2 C, okay, 3 like this. B4 Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So from this, sorry, this is the answer. 13, 14, 15. Next, alternative. When a pollution is increased, we are using masks. So like that, rain, when the rain is going on, we will use umbrella. Next, pointing to Vihan, Adya said his father is the only of my grandmother. This is the relations. Okay, go with the sister. How many N's are there in following series which are immediately preceded by M and also immediately followed by N? Okay, next, N should be preceded of M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 is the answer. Same. Previously, they asked about this question. Here, who plays football, basketball, and hockey? Here, see here. Compared to David, basketball. Okay, see here, hockey. Hockey is there, football. So, David is the answer. Next, book is coded as pencil. Book is coded as pencil. Pencil is coded as eraser. Eraser is coded as book. So, if eraser is coded as book, what is useful to write on a paper? Actually, eraser is coded as pencil. We will write pencil with on a book. So, we'll write with pencil on a book. So, eraser is coded as pencil. So, pencil can be written in a paper, written on a paper. Next. 3 words are given in the question which have something in common on themselves. Pen or pencil, all we will go with stationery. In stationery shops, they are all available. So, like that. Next, Raj is coded as 29 and Geeta is coded as 37. Arun be coded as which language? See here, Raj. Then go with A, B, C. A is 1. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 plus 1 plus J. J is what? 10. Means this is 29. What he has done? R plus A plus J. Like that. So, Geeta is G is 7 plus I means 9. 9 plus T or ST. 19 or 20. Okay. T has a 20 plus A 1. 16 or 17 or 37. So, like that. So, Arun means 1 plus R here. 18 plus U. TSSTU 21. US 21. 21 plus. Okay, N. N here 14. How much it is? 54, 52, 54. Next. Next. In a certain language, give me more. Give is taken as 7. Next. 118. Garden 3682. Okay. Garden as 105 to 6. Grass means G as 1, A as 0, 5, 2, 6, 8. Okay. Grass 15033. Like that. So send. Here S is 3. 3, E is 6, N is 8, D is 2. 3682 is the answer. Next. Select the related number alternative. Okay. 6 3s 18, like that. 8 3s 24. 8 is the answer. Hard one not from the given below. Everyone here are not in a sequence form rather than PQRS. PQRS is the number line. Pattern and complete HV, GT, FR, EP, DN. See here. H as okay. Okay, as I told before, this is the RMS key 2024. Okay, today was the exam. Exam was going on today. We are explaining parallelly every question in the examination. Okay, go through it. Next, 122, comma 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Okay, 2 is okay, double of 1. Next, 1 by 2 is double of 1. Next, 1 by 4 is half of 1 by 2. So, like that, 1 by 8 is half of 1 by 4. Okay, by 2. Everyone has by 2 here. Next, A means minus. A is minus. B divided. See here. B divided by. B divided by means 18 divided by 3. Okay. 18 divided by 3. C as plus 24. A as minus 12. B as into 2. See here. What must rule? Okay. 3 by 18, 18 by 3. 6 plus 24 minus 12 into 2. 24. Okay. 24. 24 goes. 6 is the answer. Next. Arrange the following. Okay. First. See here. In letter. A word starts with letter. So letter. Letter. Word. Next. Sentence. A group of sentences are called paragraph. Okay, next. A group of paragraphs is called chapter. Okay, chapters. In a book, so many chapters are there? 6. 3, 4, 1, 5, 2, 6. 3, 4, 1, 5, 2, 6. Next. 125. This is the sequence of the numbers. So, A is 1, Y is 23, Z is 26. Next. 127. Okay. What we do? First, if you got a disease, illness starts with illness, we'll go to the doctor. 2, 3. Then, after the prescription of the doctor, we will consult a certain department. Concerned department. A 1. Next, treatment will be goes on. Next, we will record from that. 2, 3, 1, 4, 5. Next, if plus means divided by, plus means divided by. Next, into means minus. Okay. Next, divided by means into. Minus means plus. Okay, see here. 5 minus 4 into 2 means 8 minus 3. 0 is the answer. Yes. 8 minus 8. Certainly, reason is coded as 5 means reason means 8 letters are there. Okay, minus 3, so 5. Next, 7 leave as 7. Oh, sorry. 5 is there. Here 6 minus 1 5. Here 8 minus 1 7. Like that, government have 10 letters. Minus 1 9. Next question. After a day, no, today is Friday. Day after tomorrow is Sunday. Means the day before yesterday is Wednesday. Next, this is the blood relations. Go with the brother-in-law. Next, this is also directions. When it will become north becomes west, northwest becomes southwest, then east will become north. Code as F is equal to 6, M is equal to 34, TOZ. 4 plus 15 plus 7, 26. Okay, C. Next. Exercise. We'll go gym for exercising. We'll go restaurant for eating. ఇలాగా next 135. In a certain code, pillow is code as this means this starting from the last. So chair is from the like that table ELBAT. 136. Find the letter that comes in exact middle between L or L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. O is the middle letter here. Means next. Vihan ranked 9th from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. 9th from the top. From the Niche says 37. 38. This is also blood relations. Aditya, A is the answer. Next, 39. 139. Malayalam. Okay. This is from down. This is also from down. This is also from down. Okay, when it is a mirror image. Distribution. Okay, rather than tribute, everyone are available here. Next 141. Sand indices. Next C is the answer. PPO, HCF. This is also a sequence. Next, triangles available here are 10. When we check, it will become 10. Next, odd one of angle. Next, 3, 710. 2110 is the answer. This is also a blood relation. Devesh is the answer. No. Aditya is the answer. 48, 46 from down. 149 north. 150 PQ. Hope you will write well. Okay, this is the key for RMS 2024 today examination. This is the key answer sheet for set D. Okay, hope you all well written and hope you get a great success. Great success. If you have any queries, come on to the commentary box. We are all there for you. Okay, please watch, like, and subscribe for our channel. Thank you.
ये मेरे बोलने